In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page turn effect in Canva. We'll start with a quick method that sends your design to a Flipbook tool, and then I'll show you how to build the effect directly inside Canva for an animated result. First, open Canva and go to your design. In the editor, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the panel that opens, scroll to the bottom and click More the three dots to reveal extra export options. In the list of apps and integrations, look for Hazine Flipbooks. Select it, then choose to send your design there. Before you proceed, make sure all pages are selected so your whole book is included, not just the first few pages. Click Save or Convert, and Canva will prepare the file and transfer it to Hazine to create the flipbook. When processing finishes, click View in Hazine Flipbooks to open your project in a new browser tab. Use the on-screen arrows or your keyboard's left and right arrow keys to flip pages and see the realistic page turn effect. From there, you can download it if you want to keep a local copy. Alternatively, you can craft an animated page turn directly in Canva. Go back to your design and select the first page. Open the Elements tab, search Page Turn under Graphics, and add one to the page. Place the page turn graphic in the bottom corner and resize it so it's very small. Copy that small page turn graphic from page 1 and paste it at the bottom of page 2. Now, grab the top handle of the element on page 2 and drag it up so it becomes large and almost off the page. Grab the bottom handle and drag it up so the graphic goes completely off the page, with the left edge around the middle of your design. Hover between pages 1 and 2. Click the plus icon, choose Add Transition, and select Match and Move. On page 1, set the page duration to 1 second. On page 2, set the page duration to 2.5 seconds. This timing helps sell the turn. Next, repeat the same process for your following pages. Paste the small page turn graphic onto page 3 as the small corner. On page 4, drag the top handle up so it's large and nearly off the page, then drag the bottom handle up so it goes fully off the page. Between pages 3 and 4, add the Match and Move transition again. Set page 3 duration to 1 second and page 4 duration to 2 seconds. Click Preview to watch the animated page turn effect, then save or download your design. Repeat the same pattern: small corner on odd pages, big corner on the following pages, match and move in between, short then longer durations for as many pages as you want in your catalog. Thanks for watching.